All right, let's talk about information visualization. The idea that seeing is understanding.
We're surrounded by it. We're creating a mind-boggling amount of data every single day. So with all that noise, how do you actually find the important stuff, the real meaning?
That's where this comes in. It's an absolutely essential skill for navigating our data-rich world.
The path is pretty clear. You take raw data, make it visual, and then interact with it to find answers.
So to build this skill, you've got to start with a few core principles. Let's dive in. You'll learn the language of data, its types, how to encode it, and the design rules that make it all click.
And this isn't just about static charts, okay? The real power comes from dynamic exploration.
Once you get the fundamentals, you're ready to tackle pretty much any data structure out there.
You can start visualizing tables, spotting trends in data that just looked like a spreadsheet before. Or what about visualizing trees, turning tangled hierarchies into diagrams that actually make sense?
And with graphs, you'll use algorithms to untangle huge networks and see how everything is connected.
You can even visualize text, sifting through tons of unstructured info to find key themes.
So that's the theory, but how do you actually go out and build these things? Well, you'll learn design principles and get hands-on with tools like the D3JS library. So what's next? This is where it gets really interesting. We're talking about the new frontier.
And that frontier is where visualization meets artificial intelligence. It's a total game changer.
Think about it. You can use AI to make your visuals smarter and use visuals to understand AI.
Mastering this stuff gives you a huge edge. It takes you from data novice to visualization pro.
Your data is trying to tell you something. The only question is, are you ready to listen?